guys, I wanted to go through how I like to finish off the sleeve in the Madcap jacket. So I have this almost completed, and it's all sewn all the way around, and all that's really left are my sleeves. I've turned my jacket right side out, and then we turn just the sleeve. You'll notice that there's the hole that you left open, and then the sleeve that we have, the sleeve opening that's open here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to make sure that our sleeve seams are matching up, okay? We're gonna kind of match them, you know, wrong sides together, kind of like that. Now, this is what is always kind of tricky, I think, to explain via written instructions. But it's actually a pretty simple concept. Okay, so we have our matching sides here, and we're going to just kind of pull them through this hole, okay? And keeping them together, we're going to match them right sides together, okay? We're gonna just kind of wrap the sleeve lining all the way around. Now I'm gonna hop over to my sewing machine, and we're just gonna stitch all the way around our sleeve. I went ahead and stitched all the way around our sleeve cuff, as you can see. And now we are just going to pull it back through our hole opening in our sleeve seam, and we have a nice finished cuff that we didn't have to hand sew. Woohoo! So just so you know how I close off this hole here, you're more than welcome to hand stitch it, but the whole point of using this method is to not have hand stitching. So I go ahead and just close the seam up with my machine, just kind of fold in my pieces, and then I run just a stitch along the edge to close up the seam. And then you can turn this right side out and give everything a press.